to TKA Bros.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to TKA Bros. Today we're going to be showing you the process of us moving out of our home to get back to America. We're going to be probably doing a few parts, staying in the Meriton, the hotel we're staying at, Jarvis Bay, Coogee Beach. It's going to be a wild adventure. So, I've been filming the clips lately. I've been a little late just because I've just had time to just film quick clips of what's happening. So this one was just filmed after the one that I told. If you watch the video, this clip was filmed directly after the clip of telling you we're going to the Meriton. The bags are already packed up. I don't want to spoil it for you guys, so yeah. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's head on and show you guys how the process. So just in case this ends up in a video, we are currently packing, as you can see. Whoops.
Hey!
We ate pizza for lunch.
Hey!
Now, these are our bags. We're packing up. It's been a while. We've been here for 2 years. We have all our rooms. We're packing up. Yeah, well, it's gonna be fun. As you saw in our last clip, we were just packing up for the day, just get everything. But now stuff is really starting to happen. It's been a day since then. We've actually already checked into our hotel. We might be able to show you the photos of our room, but look, everything is going. Even our couch, it's gone. So yeah, I can't wait to see what it ends up with. Gabe, say hi to TK Bro viewers. But yeah, we have all our bags packed. I'm gonna put a bit more stuff. I'm sorting this out. And yeah, we already have our hotel room, like I said. And it's just everything.
I'm hungry.
Oh my. Yeah, we're gonna move into it soon. It's almost 7. It's 6:10 right now. Let's pick up because they're picking up these boogie boards. People just came to pick up a couch. So yeah, that's how everything's gonna work. Man, tell you what it's like in our hotel. Guys, it is currently 8:30 at our place. I think, Dad's getting the van to go to the Meriton. I think we're almost ready to get to the hotel. So you can see, it's still a bit messy, but we'll get that tomorrow eventually. No, but so we have all the bags packed up. That is what it's currently gonna be. No, I'm just filming a video. See, I've sorted a few piles, kind of messed up now, but we've got the house all ready to sort up. We're gonna move soon. Like I said, I will contact you guys at the Meriton, and I'll see how I'll go. I'll show you a tour of the place, and man, can't wait. See ya. Okay, guys, we are in the car waiting for my dad. Me and him are gonna drive to the Meriton, unload all those bags back there if you can see them. But yeah, can't wait. Just waiting on Dad. I mean, he's getting all the back stuff. Can't wait. We are getting the job done. I mean, in the car, we're about to do the Meriton, so I will be able to film that. Finally, it's been a while. Can't wait to show you guys. See all these things? Gonna load them onto here. Whatever, it's just Friday. Okay. Help my dad show you what it seems like. Guys, we're at the Meriton. We are walking towards the aisles. The reason I'm keeping a little low so that I don't do any driver's license plates. But we're walking into the reception room right now. So can't wait. We're here. We're finally here. I think. Yeah, I'll walk there, but oh, we're here. Okay. shower and a reception. Ooh, that looks good. Here, the elevator. Might have to turn off the clip if there's other people there, so yeah, I'll see. Been waiting all day to get here, and we're finally here, our hotel. So we're gonna do a whole series about this hotel that we stayed, then we're gonna stay in 2 other places that we're gonna make a series about. And we're gonna make a series about oh, we're here. The airplane ride home. Got reception. Okay, as Dad gets in. Okay, we're heading to the room. I'll give you guys a little tour, although I've never been in it. Oh, okay. We're gonna get our bags. I think I'll end the clip here and restart it when we get in our room. See you then. Dad's letting me ride on the cart. I thought I'd take this opportunity to get good footage. We're going back. Wow, barely fit through there. Keep it low. Okay, now just wanted to show you what we're on. And now I'm gonna end the clip. Maybe show you unloading the bags. Then when we get to our room, I'll show you that. We made it into our suite. I don't think we'll be able to do the grand finale yet, but we will be. Okay, we're gonna go in our room and get to do the grand finale. So, are you ready? This is where we will be staying for the next week. Here's that beautiful photo of Bondi Beach. That even more beautiful photo of Bondi Beach. And I'm pretty sure that's a photo of Bondi Beach. We have the kitchen, the big fridge. Big. Okay, that wasn't all of it. But we have to go right now. I'll just put some bits of we will get to that later. But so the rooms for the second part of the grand finale. We might end the videos here. Get the grand entrance side here. This stars. I have the escape door marked out. This is our room. Oh, that's right. And Mom and Dad's room. That's the grand opening of this place. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Hey guys, it is 2 o'clock at the Meriton. So I forgot to make a video for quite a while, so now I'm gonna do it. We have our bags packed, and this is probably a good time because like we're unloaded. We're currently watching the Super Bowl. I don't like what's happening in it. We're cheering for the Chiefs, but like they're absolutely getting smoked. So here's our bed. It's kind of messed up from when we woke up this morning. We have the PlayStation connected to the TV in our room, and yeah, it's been great living here for a while. My brothers are currently taking a tub in one of the bathrooms. 2 bathrooms. This is our parents' room, master bedroom, the 3rd bathroom. Yeah, it's great. Live here. There. In the room. Around here. Here. So yeah. We're watching Super Bowl right now. We have all food. To the 27. down apparently.
That's close to how many yards he's had all day.
That's not good. So yeah. Next clip will either be like somewhere around 2 days, 3 days. When like we're been settled in for quite a while. And when we're leaving the Meriton. That's gonna be the end of this video of the 4-part series. Yeah. That we're gonna make. Yeah. Fun. Can't wait. Okay guys, this is the last clip of the Meriton. We are currently leaving to our next video. We are gonna head straight into the next video at the next place. But this is the Meriton. It's been fun living here. We loved it. But now we're heading to Jarvis Bay. Hope you guys loved that video. And we will see you guys. And don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, turn on notifications. And we'll see you guys next time.
But don't forget to watch part 2.
Yeah, don't forget to watch the Jarvis Bay video. That one's going to be hopefully even better. So don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. See you next time. Bye.